Что записываем? Well,
Ну,
another adventure. Kayaking at this beautiful river down the stream. Actually, there is no stream at all, so you go down the stream first for whatever hours you want, and then you have to come back.
You have to pay.
So what if you cannot come back? What do they do to you?
Keep your driver's license. They don't do it. Что?
Close up. What do you want to say?
They steal your driver's license and take your personality.
Well, they probably can figure out what's your car,
Yep.
and they go
That's
and
it.
break your windows.
Yep. Slash your tires.
Slash your tire. Oh, Vera is out of focus. Ah!
Bear's letting go. So
Why? Vera, come back. Anyway, that's it. Maybe later. We'll come back later.